Ever feel like your mobile gaming is stuck in a laggy time warp? Time to shift into high gear with 3 power-boosting tips. First, tune down those graphics settings. A slight dip in quality equals a major boost in performance, giving you smoother gameplay and better FPS. Second, it's time for a clean sweep. Background apps are stealthy resource thieves. By closing them, you free up precious memory and CPU power for your game. Finally, switch on your device's Game Booster feature. Think of it as a turbocharge for your gaming performance, optimizing your settings and prioritizing resources for peak gaming. So ready to level up your mobile gaming experience? Implement these strategies and transform your battlefield from a laggy wasteland to a smooth-running war zone. It's game time!